be with. Some people call me Emma. I was born on January 13 in 2005. I am 6 years old. I have no pets. I like to play with my sister and play games, tags, and dolls. My favorite food are rice, chocolate, and water. My favorite color is pink. One interesting place I have been to is Disneyland. I like it because they have princesses and fireworks. I hope you like learning all about me. Thank you.